Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found another new free open source AI model and its name is GLM-4 32B, and believe me guys, this model is actually good at coding and also complex tasks and reasoning. And here you see that they have done one comparison, and this is the comparison between Gemini 2.5 Plus. This is a popular model that was published by Google some days ago, and this is GLM-4 32B, the model that I am talking about in this video. And here you see that with the same prompt, this is a solar system. Gemini 2.5 Plus has given one output where planets are not moving, but with this GLM-4 32B, here you see with the same prompt, the planets are moving around the sun and also the names are written. So this is actually good in case of GLM-4 32B, and also it is beating the other popular models. In this video I will be talking about this model, and here you see that they are open sourcing 6 models, and they have also written one thing, that use it, build on it and profit from it. Means you can actually fine tune this model and you can build your own model and you can modify it. Okay, so the first model that I am talking about is this GLM-4 32B, a 32B parameter general purpose model with performance comparable to Cohen 2.5 72B, and it is optimized for code generation, function calling and search based question answer. That means it has a tool calling ability and you can use this model for your agentic AI purpose. Okay, and also in this video I will show you the integration with this RooCode and Cline with VS Code, and I will show you that how this model is powerful. In the last video of this Coin 3, I designed a threaded discussion like the Reddit type of things, and I got this type of UI from this Coin 235 billion model that was published some days ago. But today we'll make the same type of UI or same features, but with this new model, this GLM-4 32B, and I'm pretty sure that I will get the best output from this model because of this differentiation that I found with this Gemini model. Okay, so let's see, but before that let me show you some of the important and interesting thing. Here you see that this is the benchmark comparison between the other models like DeepSeek R1, QWQ32B and this O1 mini. In most of the cases it is beating the other popular closed source model. So let's see that how this model is powerful. By the way, if you want to use this model or if you want to try, then they have given one website name which is jade.ai. So if you go to this website, you will find this kind of interface. Okay, and on the left hand side here you will find this models GLM-4 32B, and also there is another model that they have published which is J1 rumination. I will talk about this model at the end of this video. There are something that you have to understand about this J1 rumination, but I will talk about this later. Now let us talk about this GLM-4 32B, and here you will find this web search capability also, and here if I write hi and press enter, here you will see that hi, nice to see you. If you have any question or need help, please feel free to ask. So from this chat interface also you will be able to access this model like the Cohen, DeepSeek or ChatGPT. Okay, now how to use this model for your code generation or local use. Now there are two ways. One is the Olama, another one is this open router. So for Olama, if you go to this link, the link is given in the description, and here you see that GLM-32B model with the tool calling support that I was talking about. That means this model has a agentic capability, and the size is, here you see that 27 GB. So make sure you have enough virtual RAM to use this. And simple way, you can copy this command and open your terminal or this command prompt cmd, and you are just paste it and press enter, it will be installed. But if you don't have enough space, you please go with this open router, and here you see that they have written it is completely free to use. And there is something that I will show you. Here you see that they have written the model excels in complex reasoning, artifact generation, that means the code generation, structured output task, achieving the same performance to GPT-4o and DeepSeek V3 0324. That means the new version of DeepSeek V3 version 3.1 across several benchmarks that I have already shown you. This is the benchmark comparison. Okay, and another thing is that you see that pre-trained on 15 trillion of high quality and reasoning heavy data, it was further refined using human preference alignment, rejection sampling and reinforcement learning. Okay, and this model is optimized for code generation, function calling and agent style task. And this is the Hugging Face repository. I have given this link also in the description. If you go there, you will find all of this information. Now another interesting thing is that here you see GLM 32B model is a reasoning model with deep thinking capabilities, and they have also written one thing: this model is significantly improves the mathematical capabilities and capability to solve the complex task, and also it has this code and logic building capability. So now let's see that how to use this model with the open router. This link I have given in the description, and go to this link, and here if you don't have this open router API key, scroll down below. Here you will find this API tab. Click on this create API key, and after that here you will find this create key option. Click on this. Here give any name, and after that click on this create. API key will be created here. Now copy that, and after that go to your VS Code and install this extension Cline and RooCode. Okay, so both are fine, but if you want to use the RooCode, then there you will find this agent option, okay, which is not there in Cline. But both are good in code generation. Okay, let's say I am using this client. Okay, so open this client and go to the settings, choose the API provided as the open router, and here provide your API key that you got from that official website, and here choose this model GLM-32B free. Make sure you have chosen this free because if you write this 32B, here you see that there are one 32B model which is not free, but there are another model which is 32B free. So make sure you clicked on this free model, and click on the save. You can choose it for this plan and act mode. Click on the save. Now I want to paste the comment here, okay, or the prompt here. So the prompt is this: design a threaded discussion forum with upvoting and downvoting features in HTML, CSS and JS. I am not doing it in React because in that case it will take the time and the video will be very much lengthy. You please try it on React or Next.js or whatever the framework that you are using. And if you are using any backend framework, there also you can try this model. And now press enter. Okay, here you see that it is doing the API request. Now let's wait for the code generation. Now here you see that my task got completed. I have successfully created a complete SaaS forum application, and index.html and CSS JS file it has created. Now here you see that what features it has included. This, let me zoom it little bit. Here is the thread creation with a form, reply functionality with top level threads, and voting system, toast notification, and sample initial data to demonstrate clean and modern design. Now let me open this website that we have got on port 5500, because this is the live server that I am using. And okay, man, it is so good. Here you see that SaaS forum, and here name is written, here today's date is written, today is May 1 2025, and here you see this is the comment, and this is the reply button. Here you see that upvote and downvote system. Now if I click on this downvote, and here you see it decreasing. If I click on this upvote, the number is increasing. And for the comments also, here you see that there is an upvote and downvote option. And if I scroll down below, here you see that there are different types of threads. And now if I want to open another new thread, click on this new thread button, and here you see that another new thread got started. subscribe to code digit, okay, and post thread, and here you see the toast notification thread created successfully. And where is that? Here you see that the latest post is on the top, and I can upvote this or I can downvote this. Okay, for downvote it is going to this minus. It is actually working same as the Reddit. I can reply to this also. Okay, and click on this post reply. Again got this toast notification, beautiful. And if I show the Reddit also, here you see that we have the same features like upvote and downvote, and these comment features and all of these things. So we actually cloned this Reddit in our local system using this GLM-4 32B model. Okay, and also let me show you another interesting thing. Here you see that many often you have seen this type of comparison when a new model comes, that how this model is actually performed for this ball bouncing type of game. And here you see that they have done this comparison, and they have written this comparable to DeepSeek around 671 billion. Okay, and this is focused on advanced reasoning for math, logic, and solving complex problems. And remember one thing, this model has context size of 32 to 32k token. Okay, here you see that this model has this 32.8k context token. Now another thing is that if you have not watched this video of this client 4.0 update, this video was about this context length, this to comment new task and small. Please watch this video, because for this type of model where the context length is so small, there it is sometimes get problematic to manage in a single context to get all of the feature. So in that case you can use this slash new task and small. They will help you. Now how to use this and what are the advantage of this new task and small, please watch this video, you will get it. Okay, now another thing is that I was talking about this model, this Z1 rumination. So if you click on this, here also you can test it. Okay, click on this high and press enter. Here you see that Z1 rumination, and here in this case here you see that you will get this thinking option, thought for 3 seconds. Now this model is capable of deep research, expert in synthesizing insights from the web. So if you want to solve any complex problem, you can use this Z1 rumination model. This is their another model they have published. Here you see that GLM Z1 rumination 32B, the engine behind our deep research feature capable of long form in-depth reasoning for complex and open-ended problem. So this Z1 rumination model is not free. As I was talking about, this GLM-4 32B is completely free to use with this with the help of Open Router or with this Olama. But this rumination 32B model is not free. You will get this model in Open Router also. Okay, so if I show you this rumination, and here you will get this, but here you see that the cost is around for 1 million input token the cost is $0.24, and for 1 million output token the cost is $0.24. But I think the cost is very much reasonable if you compare it with the DeepSeek and also this GPT-4o, because they have done the comparison with this O1 mini and this DeepSeek Aron also, and I found that it is better than O1 mini also. Here you see that the benchmark, so you can try with this model, and I hope you will get the best output from this model. And because they have written here, you see that introducing rumination capabilities designed to emulate extended cognitive processing, and these include iterative reasoning, multi-hop analysis, tool augmented workflows such as search, retrieval, and citation aware synthesis. So here it will do the best deep research that I think. And for those who doesn't have the capability to afford the GPT-4 O1 mini type of models where cost is very high, they please try, they can try this model. So this was the model list that I wanted to share with you, and I hope that this video is helpful for you guys also. And I got a best output than this Quen 3 also, because for that Quen 3 I got this kind of output for this discussion forum, same prompt, and the UI was not that much good. Functionality was good, but UI was not that much good. But here you see that with the same prompt in one go, I got a better UI, better functionality than this Quen 3, and it is completely free also. So if you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.